Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 16e, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into the DFU mode. To get started, you will need to have a computer for this and a cable that you can connect your phone to. And if you're using Windows, you do need to download a separate program called Now Apple Devices. This is what supersedes the iTunes, and it's a inferior program compared to the iTunes, as now you can't even import music manually, nor at all if you don't have Apple Music installed as well. So in any case, to get this program, you would just need to search for Microsoft Store, and then in here obviously search for Apple devices and get this program. Now on Mac, if you're using a MacBook or any kind of Apple computer, all you need to do is just open up the Finder. If you don't know what Finder is, it's basically the area where you have like all the folders, files and stuff like that, and you can on the side see your iPhone, and you want to click on it. So for me that would be like right here, and when you do, instead of having the internal storage, you would see this kind of page. Now you want to have this open on both Windows through Apple devices and Mac, just so you can see when the device enters the DFU mode, as the DFU mode is not going to be visible on the screen. The phone will look like it's off. So to get started, we're gonna go to the Konami codes that we need to put in to actually put the device into this mode. So I'm gonna first say how we do this, and then I'm actually gonna do it, and hopefully I will succeed at the first try. So you're gonna press volume up, volume down, then you're gonna hold power button till the screen turns black. Once it does, you're then gonna add volume down for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds you will release the power button, and then you will just continue holding the volume down. And that should get us into the DFU mode. So let's see if that will work. So I do want to see the screen so I know when it actually turns off. So volume up, down, power button. One, two, three, 4, 5. So now I let go of the power button and I'm only holding volume down. And there we go. It actually worked by the first try. So you can see in here it says iPhone DFU mode, and that's about everything that we have here. It's an option for you to restore the iPhone, or basically reset it and update it. There is no way for you to not update the device by doing this. Just want to point that out. And if you want to leave this mode without doing any of that, you would hold or press volume up, volume down, and hold power button once more, and just look at your computer screen to see when this kind of thing disappears from the screen. Or I guess when we see the Apple logo, we can also let go. So this is actually now slower. On the Mac, it might actually show you this right away because the device isn't in DFU mode anymore, and yet this is still showing DFU mode for some stupid reason. So there we go. Now we'll check it up to iPhone things. So in any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.